It's a great day to be out in the water on the lake, but it's not a great day if your jet ski is not running. And mine is not, because it has a dead battery. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the battery from your jet ski. This is a Kawasaki. It's an STX 15F. We're going to remove that Power Sports battery from there and replace it with this one here. This is an SGFYO. Their model number for this is SG20HL BS, and it's an 18 amp hour battery, 12 volt system, and it's the right size to fit into this jet ski. So first thing we're going to do is a Phillips screwdriver, because that's all you're going to need to remove the positive and the negative side of the cabling. I like to use one of these. This is ratcheting, so it's easy to get down there. It's got a nice long extension on it here, different heads, but this kind of screwdriver works best for me. So go ahead and zoom in there. You can see that old battery. Got your positive on the right side and the negative is on the left side, and there's a rubber strap that's going to hold the battery down in place that you have to remove. So go ahead and loosen this up. And there's two rubber straps, one on the side of the positive connection and one on the side of the negative. You just push down, then they will release. And now I can take the old battery out. It's completely disconnected. And that comes out like that. And now we'll put the new good battery in. Let me loosen up the bolts that are on the top. And now let's get the strap on the side where the negative terminal is. There we go. So now the battery's connected in place where it needs to be. Let's just attach the cables. There's our positive, and now the negative. And then let's tighten both of those down. All right, everything's installed. Let's fire it up, see if it starts. Well, all right, that worked great. So hey, if you definitely need to upgrade your Power Sports battery, this is a great choice. Hope that helps. Have a great day.